If you're just getting started with AI in 2026, this is the perfect video for you. Because right now, AI is no longer just for tech experts or programmers. It's for students, small business owners, content creators, freelancers, and literally anyone with a smartphone or laptop. But here's the problem. There are too many tools. Every week, a new AI platform launches and beginners end up confused, overwhelmed, or using the wrong tools. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the best AI tools for beginners in 2026. These are tools that are easy to use, powerful, and actually useful in real life. No coding. No complicated setup. Just practical tools you can start using today. Let's start with the most important one, ChatGPT. If you're new to AI, this should be your foundation. ChatGPT can help you write emails, generate content ideas, summarize long documents, create business plans, prepare for interviews, learn new skills, and even help you brainstorm YouTube scripts like this one. The reason it's perfect for beginners is simple. You just type what you want in plain English. For example, you can say, explain cryptocurrency like I'm 10 years old, or write a professional email asking for a job update, and within seconds, you get a clear response. The key to using ChatGPT well is learning how to ask better questions. The more specific your instructions, the better your results. Next, let's talk about Canva AI. Canva has evolved far beyond simple graphic design. In 2026, Canva includes AI image generation, AI presentation builder, AI social media caption writer, background remover, and even short video generation. If you're a beginner who wants to design YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, business flyers, or presentations, Canva makes it incredibly easy. You don't need design skills. You can literally type, create a modern YouTube thumbnail about AI tools, and Canva will generate layouts for you. It's drag and drop. Very beginner friendly. Now let's move to AI video creation tools. One of the easiest for beginners is CapCut. CapCut now includes AI script to video features, automatic captions, background music suggestions, voice generation, and smart editing tools. If you're starting a faceless YouTube channel or creating TikTok videos, CapCut allows you to paste your script, choose an AI voice, and generate scenes automatically. You can also remove silence, enhance audio, and add subtitles with one click. It reduces editing time massively, especially if you're new to video production. Another powerful beginner tool is ElevenLabs. If you want realistic AI voiceovers, ElevenLabs is one of the best options available. Instead of robotic text-to-speech, it produces natural-sounding voices with emotion and pacing. This is perfect for YouTube automation, audiobook narration, explainer videos, or even client projects. The trick is to write your script in a conversational way, using short sentences and natural pauses. When you combine ChatGPT for writing and ElevenLabs for voiceovers, you already have a powerful content creation system. Now let's talk about productivity. Notion AI is a fantastic tool for organizing your life and work. Notion itself is a workspace for notes, tasks, projects, and planning. But with AI built in, you can summarize meeting notes, generate action steps, rewrite messy thoughts into structured plans, and even create content drafts. For students and entrepreneurs, this is extremely helpful. Imagine taking rough ideas and turning them into an organized business strategy in minutes. That's the power of AI combined with productivity software. For image generation, beginners should explore tools like DALL-E or similar AI image creators integrated into platforms like ChatGPT and Canva. These tools allow you to generate custom images simply by describing what you want. For example, you can type a futuristic robot working on a laptop in a modern office, cinematic lighting, and get a unique image. This is useful for thumbnails, blog posts, social media, or creative projects. The key is learning how to describe your vision clearly. If you're interested in making money online, AI writing assistants like Jasper or other AI copywriting tools can help generate product descriptions, sales pages, and ad copies. But even free tools like ChatGPT can do most of this if you give detailed instructions. 4. Beginners. It's better to master one powerful tool instead of jumping between 10 different platforms. Now here's something important. AI tools are not magic. They don't replace your thinking. They enhance it. Beginners often make the mistake of copying and pasting whatever AI generates without reviewing it. That's not smart. You should always edit, personalize, and refine the output. Think of AI as your assistant, not your replacement. Let's talk about learning. Platforms like YouTube itself are powered by AI recommendation systems. If you're consistent and strategic, AI can actually help grow your channel. Use AI tools to research topics, generate scripts, create thumbnails, and optimize descriptions. But remember, value comes first. If your content is helpful, clear, and engaging, AI becomes your amplifier. Another beginner-friendly AI tool worth mentioning is Grammarly AI. It helps improve your writing, correct grammar, adjust tone, and make your communication more professional. Whether you're sending emails, writing blog posts, or applying for jobs, clear communication matters. Grammarly acts like a writing coach in the background. Let's not forget AI for coding. Even if you're not a programmer, tools like GitHub Copilot and other AI coding assistants can help you build simple websites or automate tasks. You don't need to be an expert. You can describe what you want to build. And the AI suggests code. This lowers the barrier to entry for tech projects. Now here's the real secret for beginners in 2026. Don't try to learn every AI tool at once. Choose 3 categories: one for writing, one for visuals, one for productivity. For example, you could use Chat for writing, Canva for design, and CapCut for video editing. Master those first. Once you're comfortable, then explore more advanced tools. AI is moving fast, but the people who win are not the ones who try everything. They're the ones who consistently use a few tools to create real value. If you're a student, use AI to study smarter. If you're unemployed, use AI to build digital skills. If you're a business owner, use AI to reduce costs and increase output. And finally, understand this. AI is not replacing beginners. It's empowering them. In previous years, starting a YouTube channel required expensive equipment, editing skills, and a team. Today, one person with AI tools can do the work of 5 people. That's an opportunity. So start simple, experiment, practice, improve your prompts, improve your creativity, and most importantly, take action. Because the future doesn't belong to people who are afraid of AI. It belongs to people who learn how to use it wisely. If you found this helpful, make sure you stay consistent with learning and applying these tools. 2026 is the best time to start.